Hey plant friends, so I hope the lighting is not so bad. It is the next day and I do have a like little mask type of moment. I'm trying to get rid of some blackheads that I have in my nose because it is so annoying. But I guess right now I'm gonna bottom water some plants because I do have some plants that need a good bottom watering session. I just ended up placing these over here that you see on this table. This is my watering table, I guess you can call it. I put my 4 trays. I could buy more. I got these from the dollar store for $1, which is amazing. I fill it up with, I usually have one for like on my delicate ones, like my calatheas. Like this one, I use fish tank water and then I give it a little bit of fertilizer. And the other 3 I usually just basic tap water. And there's my little cute annoying cat. But I'm currently bottom watering my strawberry begonia rex, rubber tree, Fittonia, apothos, variegated peace lily. And then on the fish tank one, I'm watering I only have like one delicate plant, which is the calathea. I think it's called the zebra calathea. I'm not that sure. And then my peperonia, angel wing begonia, some other begonias, and another begonia. And also my philodendron micans. Sorry about the camera. It's because like I can't flip it. Let's see. And then also like my philodendron micans that I am propagating. And on the other tray, I have a spider plant, some more begonias, and a silver leaf pothos, which I might sell this one. I love all of my plants, but I can't be having way too many plants of the same one, so I'm gonna have to sell it to make more space. Alrighty guys, so before we do some other things, I just love it how the light hits like the leaves. It's usually at noon. Was that a spider? Okay, I don't even know. But oh my god, isn't it so beautiful? This Chinese evergreen is just insane. She's got so big and she was on a 6-inch pot. Look how humongous she is getting. Also very stunning stems as well. These are other plants that I'm selling. So I'm having like a mini plant purge. And these are some plants that I finished bottom watering this morning, I believe. No, last night. So a really beautiful golden pothos that I'm also selling locally. My variegated lipstick, marble queen pothos. I'm just always in love with those. I love it. And then a basic dracaena, which is also very stunning. And my lovely Chinese evergreen silver bay. It is like on a wall, for example. It's like that. So in the back, it doesn't get a lot of light. You can usually tell because if you turn it around, you see this. But I still love its leaves and it is putting out, it has grown a lot of the growing season. It was also in a 6-inch pot and just, it's insane how big it has gotten. Just love how big the leaves are. Then my begonia, polka dot begonia. She's also doing amazing. String of dolphins has gotten, or is getting very, very long. And some other plants on the glass table. My money tree. And my carnivorous plants. But yeah. So I'm gonna go to my bedroom and put back the AC because like I took it off, but I wanna put it back on because it's getting hot again in Texas. But yeah. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day and right now I just finished filming the unboxing for the beautiful philodendron Birkins and this really cute white calathea fusion. I also just finished eating my little snack for the day. So I'm gonna go clean my room, especially on the unboxing area. So I'm gonna go and set a time lapse, but also I gotta go and water this plant. It's calathea that we just like ended up cleaning a couple days ago, but in this video it's gonna seem like a couple seconds or minutes ago. So I'm gonna go and bottom water her because her leaves are turning a little bit curly and she needs some water. So let me start the time lapse of cleaning my bedroom and let's start watering some plants. online, and this video is like literally all over the place. But these are some of the plants that I was bottom watering last night. I'm gonna like, you know, remove them from the trays after my coffee. But the feather leaf calathea, I was actually really stressing out because like the leaves were so bad and like it just looked terrible, and all it needed was just some water. So I gave her a good soak of watering. She looks amazing. Also, my white calathea fusion, she needed a good soak of water, and my calathea medallion was just looking great, but she was getting dry, so I decided to water her as well. Whenever I water my calatheas, like this one and this one, plants that are very sensitive with tap water, I always get fish tank water and then I add the fertilizer in the fish tank water. But other ones like this beautiful Chinese evergreen and my propagations of some potos and Madagascar tree, I just get regular tap water, I add some fertilizer, and yep. So this is my other beautiful girly. She also looks she looked okay, but her leaves were so down. So now now she looks a lot better. She does need to clean up. But this plant, I don't know if it's calathea. It doesn't say it's a calathea, but it responds as one, because like when I give it top water, her leaves turn very crispy, like that. And she likes to have her soil moist. She also folds her leaves up and down when the sun goes up and down. What else about her that's really like a calathea vibe? And she also likes humidity. So I think it's called Senanti. Hold on. Senanti. Okay, that. She's really beautiful. I do have another one, but she's outdoors. This is my biggest one, and I still can't believe I got this for $14.97 when these are so expensive, almost expensive online, and a little bit hard to find. So I was so glad when I saw it, because also, you know me, I love foliage, and it's very stunning except some of the dead leaves. Anyways, I noticed that when the soil dries out for like 2 or 3 days, she gets really mad, to the point she like does this, like starts getting like her leaves yellow. Because I did give her a cleanup, but as you guys can see, she was dry for like 2 or 3 days, and she's really mad, but she looks a lot better. Her soil looks really saturated, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna do perfectly fine. But yeah, this is some of the plants that I am bottom watering. So another quick little update on today. I ended up moving my entire room again, just the bed, and I removed the carpet because I don't know. But I really do like how it looks. I just love this side of the wall. It's so green. And at the very bottom, I have some nerve plants because those are the most that I know like are really good for like conditions. Above, I have my peace lily and this beautiful syngonium and just the other basic ones. But I really do love how it looks. He's so cute. And I have these amazing snake plants for $12.73. This cute little umbrella plant, $11.93. Palms. There's so many clearances. Oh my god, these are in clearance too? What? Oh my god. I paid $20 per month. The fiddles, $14.96. Look at that new leaf popping up. Palms for $11.23. Succulents. Guys, so this video was honestly all over the place. I was trying to vlog, and just like whenever I feel like, oh, this is good content, I ended up filming. So I think I took you guys along for a week. There was a lot of other times that I could have filmed, but I was a little bit distracted or a little bit busy. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know, because it was pretty fun and a lot easier to film. Coffee. A lot easier to film. So if you guys enjoy that content, let me know so I can do more of it. And if you don't, also let me know by giving it a thumbs down, or if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Doesn't really matter. I just want to know how you guys feel about this type of style of video. Like I said, it was really random. I could have done a better job of like transitioning, but I really didn't. Anyways, as I was like watching some videos, because I love plants equally as I love technology, and I ordered the new iPhone, which I'm so excited. I will be doing an unboxing, a what's my iPhone, and a lot of other like phone videos. My content is not going to be changing. It's going to be the same stuff like plant shopping videos, houseplant tours, top 10 houseplants, all that good jazz. But I also want to sprinkle a little bit of other things that I also enjoy, which is like phone stuff, because like I have the privilege now of being independent and buying my own phones. So I want to like share those type of videos out there as well, because like when I was little and even then, like now, I'm so obsessed with watching phone like content videos and like unboxings and this and that. Like I love it so much, and I have the privilege now that I'm gonna get one, which I'm gonna get it in the 24 to 30, which a little bit disappointing, but it's totally fine. I'm beyond blessed and thankful that I'm getting it, because I'm going to be a little bit late, but it's fine. Anyways, as I was sitting down and looking at my computer and watching some unboxing videos, I ended up realizing that I really underestimated my living room. I will be showing you guys how my living room looks right now. Now, y'all might have noticed that I haven't really been posting a lot of houseplant tours. And like, that's because like, I feel like my living room was trash. I feel like nobody really liked it. I think I was a mess. It wasn't aesthetically pleasing and nobody wanted to see it. Cause like, I did got amazing, like really sweet kind comments on my houseplant tours. But there are a few that I know I shouldn't really like be letting it get to me. But it's just like you guys, I know, but it's just like, it's still like, my goal is to like always satisfy every single one of my viewers, that they enjoy my content. But I know that's almost impossible to do. It's going to be a few that are not going to enjoy it. But yeah, and like, I don't know. And but now I realize that, oh my god, I really do have some beautiful plants. A majority of them are beautiful and like healthy, and I should really be sharing like the plant love on my channel, on like how my living room looks, because I do it on my bedroom, a lot of houseplant bedroom tours, but not living room or kitchen or bathroom. But by the way, I'm putting a lot of air plants in my bathroom, because like I noticed that air plants do pretty good in the bathroom. Like it does get a really bright indirect light. It's fairly humid because people take showers, and like, it's really humid in there. And I think it's perfect, and it's not so messy with soil. You just like put little, what I'm doing, I put like little hooks and I just hang the air plants. So that's really cool, and I'm so excited to like collect more air plants. So yeah. As I was telling, like, I was literally watching this and I'm just so ready and excited. By the way, I ended up finishing my driver test. I gotta take a test, like a course online, and then I gotta take from like the website itself, so 2 different tests, and I ended up passing both of them. Now I gotta take the third test, which is the physical test of like actually driving the car. I'm so excited because I want to get my driver license so we can go plant shopping anywhere. Well, I gotta get my insurance as well. But anyways, also you guys gonna see a lot of mess because like, by the way, let's not talk about that, that's gonna be relevant, but it works. People can sit on it, so I'm not gonna toss it out. I think that's just dumb and a waste, and I'm not gonna spend money right now to buy a new one. Anyways, it is kind of messy right now because we did had a family night last night. It was amazing. I had so much fun with my family, and I love those type of moments. I think this is, oh my lord, have mercy. Oh, jalapenos. Anyways, look at these roses, by the way, like this little cute bouquet. It's really pretty and stunning. So let's just walk around. Majority of these plants I was selling, like this dumb cane I am selling, but I fell in love with it again. Look at this Zizi putting out all that amazing new growth. I'm so happy for her. And my Calathea medallion, you guys, this girlie was dying on me, and then she went back to life. And then she ended up dying again with spider mites, and now she's doing really good. Like, look at that really like beautiful new leaf. Ugh. I'm having issues with this girl, but she's doing pretty okay. This is where I have all of my other plants. My orchid is doing perfectly fine, which I'm so surprised. She's putting out, this was a new leaf, and here's another new leaf developing. My Philomycans, she's super cute. My begonia. My string of dolphins, she's getting long. Like, I'm just so happy and like excited. Peperonia, Ranger Peperonia, she's still putting out her blooms. Money tree is just doing her thing with her beautiful leaves. Corn plant, this plant needs water. Yeah, she needs water. By the way, I don't know why it does this. I feel like I want to give her a trellis. Y'all see this? This plant, I hate it so much. It's really pretty, and I did got it really cheap at Walmart. It was $15, $14.97. The thing is, it doesn't like to dry out, because if you let it dry out, this happens. She's a very unforgiving plant. She's so moody and so delicate and special that I cannot let her dry out. Not even for like 2 days. But I mean, I just finished bottom watering her, so, and that was her tray. I gotta toss that out. But she's doing pretty okay. This is my favorite Madagascar tree. It gives me it gives me like kiwi vibes, like that kiwi fruit. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's always funky how it releases the new leaves. I think that's so cool. It's like a little, like a high heel, like a sassy leg. I don't know. This is literally by propagations, you guys, by nodes. Oh my god, I preach. Look at the new growth. It's so white. Oh my god. Yes, queen. This golden pothos was for my apartment, and it was in a 3-inch pot. And I ended up repotting it, and as you guys can see, she got so big. She was outdoors in the summer, and she, as you guys can see, like by its leaves, she was getting a lot of light. She was so happy. My beautiful yucca. And then my iconic table was not really iconic, but I consider it iconic because like it's so pretty, and I just don't see myself ever changing this setup. My Marantas, Chinese evergreen, pink Syngoniums, and then my favorites, one of my favorites, Syngoniums as well. The white butterfly, beautiful leaves. The fish tank, peace lily, a beautiful dumb cane, bird's nest fern. Look at those leaves. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh, and she was having a lot of issues as well, but I placed her outside, and as you guys can see, she's doing amazing. And that's my OG peace lily that ended up dying, but she's coming back. She died in the apartments, but you know, I came to the new household, like in this new house, and she's been doing amazing. This is the second one, and she needs another cleaning. So I gotta get to that and some good trimming. But also, I was literally about to kill this plant because she was outside and I forgot to water her. And like outside, it was in the summer, and it was getting really, really hot. So the soil was drying out like crazy, and I almost killed her. But I literally gave her water, and this like pot oh my god, she has her own pot. But then this is another pot that doesn't have any drainage hole, so it holds the water. So I gave her a good soak of bottom watering, I guess you can say. I tossed that water out, and then I gave her some fertilizer. And as you guys can see, she's doing amazing. My goal in the spring is to make her bloom. Because I know like when you buy them and you see them with blooms, it's because they add like a chemical on it. But I want to make it like naturally bloom. So, oh my god, look at this new leaf. Oh, beautiful. And then over here, we have another cat litter. Rabbit's foot fern, one of my favorite ferns. Look at this new leaf. Stunning. Raffordella, or just Monstera. And another golden pothos. But yeah, oh, and then my hanging plants. Cute philodendron, my beautiful begonia. My dark mystery pilea, she, like I said, my chickens demolished this plant, so I ended up cutting it off. As you guys can see, like it's like a haircut. But I am seeing new leaves popping up, so that's really exciting because I didn't have any new leaves. I do need to like give her I don't know, I see like some white stuff in there. I'm gonna double check what it is. But I need to give her some fertilizer so she can like bounce even faster. And I'm probably gonna those begonias, they were in an actual fell. I don't want to talk about it right now. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. I just love its leaves. And this plant is so interesting. I got it at Walmart, and it has never grown in the apartments. And then when I placed her outside, she put out so much new foliage. Like it's literally like all the like half of the foliage grew from like in the summer, like outside. It's crazy. And yeah, she's super, super cool. But yeah, you guys, that's like a little quick tour of my living room. I might add more plants. I do want to add more shelves. For right now, I do love how it looks. It's so lush and like happy, and just I love seeing a lot of plants in a place. Like I love it so much. And this leaf is stressing me. I gotta cut it off. But yeah, and that's our everything. Okay.